Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Fanduel location. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is head over to your app store and on the search bar simply type in Fanduel. And once you do that, and once the app loads, what you need to do is simply tap on the app and then check to see if the admin is an update or not. As it is not available in my region, it is not available in the app store right here. So once you tap on the app, check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, and once that's done, all you gotta do is try again. If that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your settings app, and once you're inside there, what you need to do is scroll down and then tap on privacy and security. And once you do that, here tap on location services and then check to see if the location services is toggled on or not. Sometimes toggling this off might be the main reason for the issues that you are facing. So once you do that, all you gotta do is try again, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.